This is one of those things like I feel most people know about, but I just never know. It's something I've been doing for a really long time, and I thought maybe some people don't know about this, so I figured I would share it today. You know, when you have all that cupcake batter and it's in this big bowl and you need to get into those much smaller little cupcake tins, and then you try to pour it in, or you try to like use a spoon or something and it gets all over and then it hardens and dries when it goes into the oven and it's really hard to clean. Yeah, don't do that. Instead, you can just use a large baggie, like the freezer size ones are the ones I usually use for a box of cupcake mix. Fold the top down though so it doesn't get a mess everywhere. And then you just pour it in. Try and get as much air out as possible, and then you can cut a little slit in the corner. Don't cut it too big, otherwise it's going to be a big mess. Then you've got this like much more accurate way of getting all the cupcake mix into the little cupcake liners. I just find I have a lot more control over the situation when I do it like this versus using a spoon or trying to pour it in, or even pouring it into like a pitcher and then pouring it in. I still find it's too hard that way. When you get close to the end, just push it all out so you don't waste anything. And then you have these really evenly filled little cupcake liners. Have you tried this one before?